I'm Carla, and I've been a member of the Inspiration Sessions for about 5 months now, and I'm really enjoying them. I really also love the additional creativity videos that she adds on that kind of help me think about how I can go out of my comfort zone and try some new things. And then the Zoom sessions are great. It's so much fun to get to meet other members of the community. It's just a chance to show what each other's doing. Give encouragement, get inspiration from others, get some insights from Deanne. I definitely enjoy it and recommend it to others.
It's so beautiful to see the community that you have there, and I really appreciate the beautiful Newfoundland accents and the East Coast accents. Anyway, excuse the roosters. And anyway, just lovely to see the beautiful designs and also the little tips that you don't even think to ask, and you think, oh, okay. Also realizing you really do need the friendships. I have friends, but as I say, I'm pretty busy with my family, so I don't have a lot of extra time to be out there. But it's lovely to see the community that grows up around this craft. And anyway, thank you so much for all you do.
It's true what Deanne says about she feels like you're the only one in the studio with her, and it actually does feel that way, surprisingly. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just a really special, intimate time. And I tend to watch after they're recorded, when I have the house to myself, and I can make my cup of tea, and I get my, I don't get my hooking out, I get my notebook out. And so I can take notes because I learn so much. The hook-ins are super fun, and it just feels like a community around the globe, which is really special.
Good morning, my name is Sandra, and I've been watching the Inspiration Sessions for a while now, and I really love the Inspiration Sessions. They have helped me think outside of the box. Normally I would hook abstract or just things, no plants or anything like that, and now I'm doing a mat on sunflowers and ladybugs. So it's really helped me do different colors, and I'm really enjoying them.
I feel now I have the power that yes, I can do it. I can create, and I can be an artist as well. And art for everyone is very individual. So I think the Inspiration Sessions has taught me that the inspiration comes from inside, and I can share that, and it helps me to hook and to hook and to hook and keep going back to that hook, and hopefully I'll never lose that again.
I enjoy them so much. I've been in them for a while now, and I will continue to be in them as long as Deanne continues to offer them. I find them very true to their name, inspirational, and also we get to get a glimpse into Deanne's home studio because that's where she records them from. She shares her process. She shares herself. She shares art books, quotes from artists. So I would recommend the Inspiration Sessions to anybody who's thinking of joining. Do it. You won't be sorry. Thank you.